Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Myler. How is everyone? I'm going to read a story today. The story I'm going to read today is called Tap the Magic Tree by Christie, Matheson. It's a magic tree that we tap and shake and things happen. There is magic in this bare brown tree. Tap it once. Turn the page to see. Look what happened. One little leaf started. Tap again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what happens. More leaves are starting to come out. Now tap again, even more. Wonder what will happen to this tree. Look at all the leaves that came. Rub the tree to make it warm. Who knows what season we're in now? It's the same season we're in right now, spring, with all the leaves coming. Look what came, tiny little pink buds. Touch each bud and see what forms. Let's touch those buds and see what happens. Look at the beautiful blossoms that came out. Give the tree a little jiggle. Wonder what will happen to all those buds when we jiggle. Let's see. All the little petals fell down. That's it. Now make your fingers wiggle. Wiggle your fingers. And look what's happening to the tree up here. Darker leaves are coming out. Look at all the leaves. They're all getting darker now. Who knows what comes after spring? That season called summer. Brush away the petals. Swish, swish, swish. And blow the tree a tiny kiss. Can you blow the tree a tiny kiss? Let's see what happens to all those petals and those leaves. Look what's on the tree now. Big red apples and all the leaves are dark. That season after spring is called summer. And it says, shake the tree. Wonder what will happen to those apples once we shook the tree. Plop, 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 ker, plop. All the apples came down. Knock, knock on the trunk. And look what's happening to some of these leaves now. Look at all the leaves. Pat the leaves. Be gentle, please. So now we're moving out of summer. What happens when those leaves start to turn? Who remembers what season that is? Look at all the leaves. That season of fall, the leaves are changing. Aha! Now blow a whooshing breeze. Can you help me blow a breeze on the tree? Let's see what happens to those leaves once we blew them. Look at all the leaves. They all came off the tree. Clap your hands to bring. Wonder what happens. What happens after the season of fall when all those leaves fall off the tree? The snow. What season brings the snow? Winter. Look at all the ice and the snow on the tree. But be patient, be patient. The bare tree is still there, all the ice and snow is gone, but look what's happening over here. What's coming in? Wait, don't go, let's see. A little bird landed on the bare tree, but look what's in the trunk of the tree here, a little nest with an egg. It tells us to close our eyes and count to 10. Let's see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what happens. Magic. The leaves are starting to come out again, and the bird is now looking at the nest. There's no more egg, but there's a tiny bird that has hatched out of the egg. because the season is starting over again to be spring. So boys and girls, this week is bird activities. So let's think about the shape of what a bird is. So there's a little bird here that was in the tree. They have like a circle shape for his head, an oval shape for his body, a little triangle shape for his tail and for his beak, and he has tiny little stick legs. So what you could do for an activity is think of all those bird shapes, the circle for the head, the oval for the body, the triangle for either the beak or the tail, and rectangle shapes for his little stick legs. And you can go on a little scavenger hunt inside or outside your house. And I went around and I found a bottle cap that was a circle shape for his head. I went outside, found a rock that was an oval shape for his body. And I went and found a block, the shape of a triangle for his tail and beak. And I found a rectangle block for his stick legs. So see if you can go on a scavenger hunt to find all these shapes of a bird and have fun doing it. I miss you all so very much, boys and girls. Bye and have a great week. Take care. Love you.